talk about how can you fix this problem on your Wallapop pop-up. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you looking for voila pop-up here, or just click here on search. So then can you search for it here, just here at Wallapop here, so just add it. Then it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, you click here on force stop, and you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage. So then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.